last time we done our marble race part 1 video. Now this time we're going to do our marble race part 2 video. And we called our video a marble 1 and our part 1. So we're going to do our marble 1 part 2 today. So that means we're going to do our marble race part 2 today. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready, set, go! Here goes the little balls. And there's different colors in them. So it looks like some of them are going that way. So I'll see them go that way. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see them go down this way. And then they will be coming down right here next to the bolo, and then we'll see them go down here. Okay, now see all the ones go down. Right here. There they are. And then let's see all of them go right here. And now let's see them go all the way down here. Just like that. And then we'll see all the ones go down here. And now let's see them go down here. This one will be a little bit longer than the other part 1. This one will be a little bit longer than the part 1.
Yeah, it seems pretty long.
Yeah. Because the part 1 video was super long and this one might be a pretty like that. Okay.
Nice.
Now let's see them go down here. And now let's see these marbles go down here. This one will be a little bit pretty long. Now let's see these guys go down to this triangle. Okay. Now let's see, these ones go down here. Now let's see, these ones go down to these two things right here, and then we'll make the rest go down here when these ones win. Now let's see who wins.
Nice. Soccer ball.
And look,
Rainbow.
wait, don't say them out.
Sorry.
I'll say the ones that won.
Okay.
And now let's see all the ones that is going down here. So the ones that won were soccer ball, rainbow, pink, orange, and green, swirl, and yellow. And the ones that did not win are dark blue, lime green, glitter, swirl, smiley face, blue, square colors, eyeball, green, dark yellow, dot, lime green, red, and size color, purple, and blue and red. Since that we did part 2, make sure that you find part 3.